So we have the 7100 and the touchscreen is disabled. So everywhere I push, it always comes back here. Wherever I push. So also when you go to menu, others, this will not work. So you cannot do a recalibration. Had this several times and the touchscreen is really defective. Now we will take it apart. So now we got it all figured out. Everything which does not include the front display is out. If you look very close, you see a small damage over here. And what I also notice is that the front is loose on top, so maybe that's one of the problems. It's yeah, I'll make try to take this out in one piece, and then cleans the front of the display, and also the buttons will have a small bath, so everything is will clean again. Now, of course we do this not just without any radio on the background with the FT897 over there, listening to the SL satellite. This is part of my simplex setup for anyone who will notice. Simplex but duplex. I have the audio on the transceiver and also the SDR, so that's the duplex part. So, but that's an all different story, of course. Now let's see if I can take this out. Make it a bit heat, I think, to loosen the glue. Maybe that oh, not my hand is not that accurate. It's just like they do with the smartphones. We'll turn off the heater and well, let's see if that does the trick. Of course with Super Papa, Super Daddy coffee mug. So if you might notice, sorry for that, the glue comes off. The heat does really does the trick. Not too high, about 200 degrees right now. It's enough to get it heated, not to get it at the glue. to heat up enough to let it go. Like that you can. Oh, take it out in one piece. There's a bit scratch over here. I think that's the main problem. So let me put that aside. Now we have the display. Clean the glue out, and the entire front of the set gets a very nice bath of me. So I have it all cleaned, etc. This is a new display. Ordered it at Ham Radio Service. Very nice delivered. Very good service, as always. So comes in like this. Let's see if we can glue that in. So that fits right in. Looks real good. No tape to see. So now put all the parts back in. Let's test if it still works. I hope so. So everything back in place, even the flat cable. I'm almost a bit afraid of the flat cables. Like the small one has a flipper, which you can dismount it quite easy. But the big one of the LCD, you just have to push it in by force and take it out by force. So I'm always a bit afraid of that. So I'm not sure if everything is still working okay. Looks okay. It looks brand new because of the cleanup, of course. You can see myself. Hi guys. Okay, let's give it a test. Only one way to figure out. Always a bit nervous moment. Let me see if this is. Oh, you can see it all. Yeah, I think. Well, let's give it a go. Screen still works, so that's not a big disappointment. But it's okay. Here we go. Yep, that's very nice. Okay, menu, others, screen calibration. I always prefer to do it with a pen, so you can point it out and don't have to big fingers with the calibration. Of course, plastic, not to damage the screen. 1, 2, 3, and 4. No. No, it works all okay. All the buttons still work. No speaker attached, I'm sorry for that. Ah. Yep, everything okay. Now, put in the last bits. So, all in one piece and back operational. Not connected yet. Well, I'm glad with that operation. But yeah, it takes some effort, takes some time. It costs you about an evening, but yeah, if you work nicely, then you can fix this kind of problems yourself. Old display over here. See anything, except for this point, not really something wrong with it. Like I said here, the screen on top was getting a bit loose. I can put my nail underneath, in front of the video of course. I can put my nail underneath. I saw that it was getting loose. But for the rest, I think this is it. Put a focus on there. Is that possible? Focus, yes. Maybe this was the big problem. Furthermore, yeah, it looks, well, except for this corner, looks quite nice. But still, no comprende. It doesn't work anymore. Let's keep that one for the archive. Thanks for watching, and maybe next time and a different repair. Still have one over here. If you can look, take a look. Also a well-known problem. FT897 with the display, the bars. We figure out if that's repairable or also needs a replacement. Okay, ciao. 73 from Papa Echo 9, Romeo X-Ray.